I'm about to show you how you are going to earn significant amounts of money online without any investment or any capital whatsoever. What you are going to be using to make this money is just your smartphone or your laptop or your tablet. Whatever you are using to watch this video right now, I want you to make use of that. And another thing I want you to make use of is a stable internet connection. Guys, as long as you are watching this video, it means that you have a stable internet connection. And you know what? You don't need to bring any two persons. That is going to bring another two persons. That will bring another two persons before you can be able to start earning. Now, for me to say this, it means that a stay-at-home mom can actually do this and make money. Exactly. If you have a 9 to 5 job that you are doing, you can do this and earn money for yourself. Even if you're a student, you can actually do this and earn a whole lot of money for yourself. The only thing I want you to do for me is what? I want you to click the like button in appreciation of the value you're about to get in today's video, because I am very sure of what I'm telling you in today's video. And I personally want you to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, just go ahead and smash that subscription button. But hey, after smashing the subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is to notify you anytime we upload videos just like this one you are watching. Right now, with all this being said and done, let's jump straight into the video. Now guys, we are going to be making use of 4 good apps in today's video. Guys, relax. When I say 4 apps, you don't need to do any subscription before you can be able to make use of these 4 apps. It is free of charge, right? Yes. So the first app we're going to be making use of is called X Recorder. I'm going to be leaving it on the screen so you'll be seeing it, right? Now that's by the way, in case you're coming across this channel for the first time, I'm Leo and I make videos around online and offline businesses and how you can earn money online and offline, right? So let's continue with the video. So if your phone has inbuilt screen recorder, just make use of that. There's no need downloading this X Recorder. But if you do not have, I want you to go to Google Play Store or App Store, download this X Recorder. So guys, I'm just making this video off script. I did not script it. I'm just saying it from my heart because this is what these people are doing to make money. I know these people are going to hate this video when they are going to, if it is possible for them to report this video to make sure they take it down, they are going to do it. All right, this is what these people are doing to make money, so I'm going to spill it out. You are my guy, so let's continue. Go to Google Play Store or App Store, download the X Recorder, right? So once you're done downloading the X Recorder, I'm going to be showing it on the screen. I want you to go to the settings. So once you click on settings, I want you to go to audio settings. Yes, go to audio settings. I want you to increase the volume to 200 because of course you need to be getting a quite high quality video. Yes. Then go and click on the noise reduction. Check the box. Yes, that is the settings I want you to do in this X Recorder. So once you are done with that, the next app we're going to be making use of in today's video is TikTok. Yes, guys, TikTok. I know you must have come across a kind of video like this, but believe me, this is a different one that you've ever watched. This is going to be another different aspect of this. So just relax, okay? If you have gotten to this point, click the like button in appreciation of the value you are getting in today's video. Please, if you are here to join this beautiful family, go ahead and smash the subscription button. Let's continue. What we are going to be doing on TikTok is that we are going to select a particular celebrity, right? We're going to be recording that particular celebrity live session, live video session. That is what we are going to be doing. So it could be Pella, it could be Mr. Funny, it could be Shaggy, any celebrity of your choice that you love. What we are going to be doing anytime they come on live, we are going to be recording their live session from start to finish. All right, you know what, I'm going to give you a bonus tip towards the end of this video, so you have to stay tuned. Stay to the end of this video. I'm going to give you a bonus tip on how you are going to be getting more videos to upload, or how you are not going to limit yourself to a particular celebrity. All right, so let's go. But choose a particular celebrity if you want to niche down to a particular celebrity. So choose, let's say, Pella, for example, because of course Pella used to come on live on a regular basis. So let's say we are going to make use of Pella, right? So anytime Pella comes online live, we are going to be recording the live session. Okay, so I'm going to find any particular live sessions for the sake of this video. So I'm going to show you, put it through what I am trying to explain to you. Okay, so record the live session. Once you are done recording the live session, it could last for maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. Just relax, record it. Okay, that's the only thing you need to be doing. So once you are done recording it, we're going to move over to the next app, which is the editing software. And the editing software I'm going to be making use of is CapCut. You can make use of any editing software of your choice, but for the sake of this video, we just want to make use of CapCut for the sake of this video. Okay, so let's move over to CapCut after recording this live video. So once you get to CapCut, I want you to open up CapCut. So once you open up CapCut, I want you to click on new project. Okay, click on new project, select that particular live video session that you just recorded. Okay, select it and click on add. So once you add it, click on the video to select that particular video that you recorded, right? So scroll down to transform. Okay, yes. So once you get to transform, I want you to click on transform and then click on resize, as you can see over here, resize. Okay, so why are we resizing it? The reason why we're resizing it is we want to remove the like button, the comment button, the share button that is beside the video that you recorded. We just want to get a very clean video. All right, so I want you to increase it, zoom it in order to remove that. So once you remove it, as you can see, we have a very clean, no comment section, no like. That is what we're going to. So click on the check button and we'll have a very clean video. So once you are done editing it, now when you are editing this video, do you know what I want you to do? I want you to edit or crop the part that is very engaging, interesting part of the video. Remove the boring aspect of the video. That is what I want you to do. Make sure you edit the interesting part of the video. That is what we are going to be uploading. And I'm going to be telling you the app or the platform we are going to be uploading. We're not going to be uploading it on TikTok. We're going to be uploading it in another platform entirely. So once we are done, this 1 hour or 2 hours live session, you could get even up to 10 videos out of it. 10 good videos out of it. So once you are done getting this video, we're going to move over to the next platform, which is Facebook. Yes, you heard me right, guys. Facebook. Guys, if you have gotten to this point, click the like button in appreciation of the value you are getting into this video. It will not take extra data from you. And if you are still yet to join this beautiful family, please click the subscription button. So let's continue. So we're going to move over to Facebook. That is where we're going to be uploading this video, right? What we're going to do is we're going to be creating a Facebook page. You are right, Facebook page. Now we're going to name this Facebook page Pella Fans, or we're going to name it Pella Disciples, or we're going to just don't stress yourself on the naming aspect of it. Just name it anyhow. All right. So after that, we are going to be uploading these videos. Now, this is what I want you to be doing. Be consistent. You know you are not spending money, no capital, no investment. You just need your smartphone and the internet connection. So I want you to be consistent. Don't upload a video on the first of probably of the first of a month, and then the next time they are going to see you is the last day of the month. You are not serious, guys. You're not serious. You have to, if it is possible for you, do a 30-day challenge, or do a 60-day challenge, or do a 90-day challenge. Be uploading this back to back. Yes. So if you have a 9 to 5, most of these companies, they have free Wi-Fi, right? Yes. Make use of the free Wi-Fi, do this and then upload it. If you're a student, most of the schools now, they have Wi-Fi. Whenever you're paying for school fees, they add the Wi-Fi payment to your school fees. So you have a free Wi-Fi to do that. If you stay at home, mom, and you do not have Wi-Fi at home, you can do night subscription and then get this sorted. Upload the videos and Facebook is going to monetize you. You're not only going to be making money from Facebook monetization. Do you know what? People are going to be contacting you for adverts. You are going to be getting sponsorship. So more contacting, more sponsorship, more money to your bank account. That is how you are going to be making money from this. Now, here comes to the bonus point or bonus tip I said I'm going to be sharing with you guys. We are going to be opening a Facebook page, and then this Facebook page, we are going to be using a name or a particular celebrities that do not post a particular thing. Let me use Tunde Not for example. Tunde Not do not post a particular thing. He posts about a musician, he posts about a comedian, he posts about politics, every single thing he posts about. So he posts about it. So let's say we are going to be naming this Facebook page Tunde Not Disciple, Tunde Not fan page, or you understand? Just make sure it's Tunde Not something. I want you to like this video for this tip that I'm going to give you now. So name it that, then this is going to make you or enable you to be recording any single celebrity of your choice. Any single, it's not going to limit you to a particular celebrity. Now you can be able to record any single celebrity of your choice, right? Any politician, anything, just to make sure you have a whole lot of video that you're going to be uploading. And that's going to enable your 30-day challenge to come to pass, all right? Or your 60-day challenge or your 90-day, because you're going to have a whole lot of videos to be uploading. Once you upload it before the end of the 90-day challenge, I'm very sure Facebook is going to monetize you, and then you are going to be getting paid from the in-screen ad or sponsorship, or some people contacting you for adverts or whatsoever. That is how these people are making money. They are not going to tell you that. They are going to hate this video if they are going to see it. If it's possible for them to report this video so that they can take it down, they are going to do it. So start doing it. and start making money for yourself. You don't need to bring any two persons to bring another two persons before you can start earning. You only need your smartphone and a stable internet connection and your time, because you need to be dedicated. You are not bringing any money, no capital, no investment. So why can't you dedicate? Right? My community people can never be lazy on this, and that is why I like them. Speaking of community members, we recently created a WhatsApp group, and what we'll do in this WhatsApp group is to upload various ways, strategies you can be able to earn a lot of money for yourself online and offline. And I'm very sure I'm going to be leaving the link of this WhatsApp group in the video description and also in the comment section. All right, now click the link, join the WhatsApp group, and I'll surely be expecting you there. Now, I made a video listing out top 4 fintech platform that can give you high interest in saving your money using these 4 fintech apps. If you want to know more about that, you see this video you're seeing on the screen right now, click on the video and I'll be seeing you on the other side. Keep winning, guys, and know that Leo loves you. And until next time I see you again, comrade. Bye.